What's up guys, my name is Emeka Osinachi and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to record your screen in Canva. So to do that, click on uploads like this, then click on record yourself, then you can see an icon on the top right corner like this. Click on it, then you have three options to choose. First, you can use, by default, you are going to have access to record only your camera. You can see camera like this, you can see me. Hello. So if you choose this option, the next thing you're going to do is to click on record, then you record yourself, talk, do anything you want to do. And then you can actually change the position of it, drag it like this, put it at the top, put it anywhere you want to put it. So that's it. And then the next option is to record yourself and the screen. So like this, you can see, record yourself on the screen. And then when you choose this option, there are other things to choose, three options to choose again, which is to record the entire screen, maybe the entire screen of your computer, anything you have in your computer, including your taskbar. And then the next one is windows, the windows that are open in your computer, like maybe you want to teach about Photoshop, then you open your Photoshop application, it will appear here, so you click on it, then share like this. Click on it and say and click share. Then the last one is Chrome tab. Maybe you are going to talk about a certain website, and you open it in your Google Chrome, click on it, and then click share like that, like this. So I'm not going to click on it share right now. I want to talk about the third one. The third one, which is the screen, only the screen. Wow, sorry for that. The third one, which is only the screen. When you choose only the screen, it means that you cannot share your camera. You cannot record your own self talking. You can only share the screen, just like the screen and camera. The only difference is that you cannot record the screen. You cannot record yourself when you choose that option. So right now I'm going to choose this one, then click on share. So the next thing to do is to click record, but I'm not going to click on record because I'm currently using Canva to record this tutorial, so I'm not going to click on that. Then when you are done, you can see, this is it right here. I'm going to, you can record only the screen like this. You can see, let me try to record something here. See, so you can do anything you want to do, record only the screen, but you will not have the camera attached to it somewhere around here. So I'm going to go back to no. Okay, so right here, this is where I'm recording this tutorial. You can see I'm 4 minutes 3 seconds going. So when you are done, you can click done and then click on save and exit. But right now you can see it's not available because I'm currently recording right now. So when you click save and exit, your video is going to appear here. Here. Yeah. Or it's taking time. Yes. The video is going to appear here. Right here. Then you can download it. You can select it and put it here and download it. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe, share, like, and if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. Thank you guys once again for watching. I'm grateful.